prepare ekuru, you would require the following ingredients. Beans, which could be either white or red. The choice is yours. You would need some water. You would also require some tomatoes, some onions, some red bell peppers, and scotch bonnets, or even chili pepper. You would require some palm oil. You would require some locust beans. You would require some salt. You would require some seasoning, pomo, that is cowhide, and manla fish. Wash the beans clean and blend it. You now turn it in a bowl and whip for about 5 minutes. After whipping, you will now grease your ramekin, or you can choose to use polythene bag or even leaves. Make sure not to overfill it so it doesn't appear messy. Cook it for about 30 minutes using the steaming method. While that is cooking, you blend your tomatoes, the onions, red bell peppers, and scotch bonnets. Get your frying pan and pour in some palm oil. Allow it to heat a bit before you add your locust beans. Next, you add your onions and stir. Continue frying for some seconds until the onions kind of caramelize. Then you add your blended tomatoes. Continue stir frying, and then you add and salt to taste. Some seasoning. At this point, you can introduce the pomo and continue to stir fry together. Your panla fish, which you have earlier on washed and cleaned, can also come in at this point. You continue stir frying till the oil separates from the sauce. Voila! At this point, your sauce and the ekuru itself is prepared and it's ready to eat. So this is what it looks like. Our ekuru is ready. Enjoy your meal.